Assalamualaikum. Let's do crispy gochujang chicken. Join me. Here I have chicken thighs which I cut into bite pieces. For our wet butter, chili powder, salt and black pepper with 2 beaten eggs. Mix them well until well combined. For our dry butter, cornstarch, black pepper, salt and chili powder. Mix until well combined. First our chicken to wet butter. Mix well. Drain and put it to our dry butter. Mix it well. Shake the excess flour before frying. Now we fry to golden brown. This is after frying, guys. For the sauce I have here gochujang paste, brown sugar, chili powder, sesame oil, soy sauce, minced garlic, drizzle of honey, rice vinegar, and water. Our sauce after simmer. Now we toast and serve. Gochujang chicken. Enjoy!